Now it's your turn. Create your daily routine in English and speak it out loud. Why? Because when you say things alone, hi friends, do you want to improve your English but don't know where to start? Or maybe you are wondering, who can I practice speaking with? If so, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you a super simple way to practice English daily using just your daily routine. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. But before we begin, if you are new here, I am your English friend 360 and I am here to help you speak English with confidence. You know, there are four powerful ways to improve your English: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. But in today's video, our main focus is on speaking, and I will show you how to do it easily even if you have no one to talk to. Okay? Then, how do you start speaking English every day? It's simple. Talk about your daily routine. Yes, you heard that right. Just talk about your daily routine. But how to do it? Simple. Every day, describe what you do out loud in English. This method helps you think in English and become more comfortable using the language. You know what is the best part in it? You only need to use only one tense, that is the simple present tense, right? To give you clarity, let me share my daily routine as an example. Okay? Right. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth and drink a glass of warm water. Then I take a bath and practice meditation for some time to stay focused on my work. After that, I have my breakfast. I'm a lecturer in English, so at 9 o'clock I go to college where I take 4 classes daily. After college, I come home, freshen up, and have my lunch. Then I take a short break for some time and start working on my YouTube channel, like shooting, editing, and uploading videos. In the evening, around 7 o'clock, I go for a walk. After coming back, I have my dinner and finally go to bed at around 10:30 p.m. So this is my daily routine. If you observe carefully, I have used the simple present tense throughout my entire description. Got it? Now it's your turn. Create your daily routine in English and speak it out loud. Why? Because when you say things alone, your brain remembers better. It's like training your mind to think in English naturally. And if you want to make your sentences sound more natural, try using the transition words like then, after that, usually, generally, often, sometimes, etc. Adding these words will make your English sound more fluent and engaging. Remember, my friends, nothing is easy at first, but with practice, everything becomes possible. If you practice speaking English daily like this, I trust me, I'm sure you will definitely improve. Now, I have a small challenge for you. Write one sentence from your daily routine in the comments below. I would love to see what your day looks like in English. If this video helped you, kindly like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more easy English learning tips. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving. Happy learning. Bye.